So we're looking at a word problem. Half the perimeter of a rectangle garden whose length is 4 more than the width is 36. Find the dimension of the garden. So any word problem, I made a mistake actually. I didn't mark the keywords. So half the perimeter, so we're looking at the perimeter of rectangle garden whose length, length is given 4 more than, more, the word is very important. Then its width of, we don't know the width obviously, is 36. What is this is 36? Well, it's linking half the perimeter of the rectangle garden, then jumps to is 36. In between is a reframed it's a reframed second statement fitted into the first one. Again, this is to deceive you guys. So you have to read the question as half the perimeter of the rectangle garden is 36, wherein the length is 4 more than the width. Find the dimension of the garden. So always start off with drawing a diagram, if not writing a statement about let the length and width be x and y. Then we can jump on to the diagram. Any sequence is good, not an issue. So we need to draw a rectangle. So we're looking at a regular just a polygon, 4 quadratic polygon. It is 4-sided polygon with opposite sides being of equal length. So this we're calling it as x and this is y. So by default this is also x and this is also y. Now what is given? So it's given that the half the perimeter, so half of the perimeter of the rectangle garden is 36 meters. See guys, is in math is nothing but equals to, perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. So sum of all the sides is x plus y plus y, 2x plus 2y. So half of 2x plus 2y is equal to 36. Okay, so we can be smart and take 2 common or multiply half with both the terms. Use distributive property. So I can do that, 2x by 2 plus 2y by 2 being equal to 36. So we have x plus y is equal to 36. That's my equation 1. And next we have whose length is x is 4 more, right? So let me do that. Length is 4 more than width. Okay, so as usual you have is means equals to, length is we have x equals to 4 more. Does more mean addition or multiplication? It means addition. Okay, width is y, so x is equal to 4 plus y. That's my equation 2. Okay, we got the equation. We will be expecting to do this using graphical method, but since it's not mentioned, I can go with any method. For me here substitution method is very simple. Actually even better than that is elimination method, that I'll be teaching in detail, but as you already know a bit of substitution, I'll go in that direction. So for substitution method you need to express x in terms of y in either of this equation. As I already have this expression to be expressed in form of x being equal to y, I will substitute x from 2 in 1. That is, in place of x in the equation 1, okay, so in place of x I'm going to write 4 plus y. So 4 plus y is 2y is equal to 36. So we have minus 4. Okay, so 2y is equal to 32. Now I can divide with 2. We have y is equal to 16 meters. Okay, this we can call it as, okay, need not call it as anything. So we got the value of y, right? So let's highlight that. Since with the value of y, we can get the value of x by substituting y value in, say, equation 2. So next step is substitute. What is this? Substitute y in 2. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 16, which is nothing but 20 meter. Right? So I forgot to mention, we're using substitution method. In exam, it's not compulsory for you to mention, it's just for a good presentation and for you guys to understand better. Substitution method. See, the point is, being organized is the key. Okay, in math, if you want to get better, be organized in your approach and whatever you do. So each step has to be respected and done diligently. So, and the flow has to be neat and crisp. Crisp. Okay, you guys know what I mean. Crisp, no, not crisp. Crisp, yeah, crisp. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, we are looking at diagram given and then substitution. So I substituted and then I got the answer. So this, with this we can conclude, right? Solution is what? The length is how much? 20 meters, and the width is 16 meters. Make sense? And this will carry half a mark. Okay, so let's verify this using our code. So the first equation in standard form will be 1, 1 and minus 36. So 1, 1 minus 36. And the second equation is, where is it? Yeah, 1 minus 1 and minus 4. 1 minus 1 and minus 4. And we have the solution to be 20 and 16. So we have the solution to be 20 and 16. Okay, so graphical method would have been this. But yeah, again, if the question has not mentioned, you can use any method you guys want. You're free to do so.